Let me share the screen, okay? Already this one completed. From this multiplication by 1 will start. So yes, because up to this one we completed yesterday. Yes or no? Shake your head if yes. Up to this one, okay, good. And also some extra question we completed. Okay. Now just look at this. Today we'll start from this one. Okay, multiplication by 1. That means property. This is the property of 1. Okay, what is property? Property means a certain condition which will be satisfied by a certain number. Okay, suppose property of 1. 1 means for 1 there is a certain condition. Okay, look, what is that condition? Everyone look at this. Acha, don't start to write now. Debatam, you have started to write. Okay, no. Okay. I told you now I have joined from 2 devices, my phone and my laptop, so I can see each and every one. Okay. Acha, at first, yes, all of you will write. Don't worry, Devatum. Just at first, let me explain and try to understand. Property of 1, already you know. That is, if we multiply any number by 1, then we'll get that number back. Yes, though. That means suppose 16 into 1, okay? Then we'll get this 16 number back. This is the property of 1, okay? If we multiply any number by 1, we'll get that number back. Is it clear to all of you? If yes, then shake your head. Okay. Suppose, and it doesn't matter, 1 is in the last position or in the first position, okay? Suppose 1 into 23. Then also what will be the answer? 1 by 1 we are multiplying too. So that number will be back. To which number we are multiplying? To 23. So this 23 will be back. Understood? Suppose 1 into 69. Then we'll get this 69. If we multiply any number by 1, then ultimately we'll get that number back. This one is clear to all of you? Okay, good. Now, what is the property of 0? Look at this. Property of 0 means here for 1 we'll get that number back. 1 is vanished. Na? Suppose, wait a minute, 1 into 16. Then look, we are getting 16. Here 1 is vanished. Na? But in case of 0, okay, what to do? If we multiply any number by 0, suppose 0 into 16, then this 16 will get vanished. We will get this 0 back. Okay, there are 2 properties. Just remember the property name, that is multiplication by 1. When we multiply any number by 1, we will get that number back. 1 will be vanished. And when we multiply by 0, then that number will be vanished. 0 will get 0 back. Acha, is it clear to all of you? If it is clear, then you can shake your head. Acha, okay. Good. Now start to write. Yes. Now start to write. Okay, here it is written that for the first one, multiplication by 1. Acha, yes. Put the date. Every day almost I say this. Okay, put the date, write CW also. Okay, don't forget to do this. 28th of July 2021 and write CW. Now this one. From this one start. Multiplication by 1. That means what? Already I explained. If we multiply any number by 1, we will get that number back. Okay, and here are some examples. Just make some bullets and write in this way. Okay, look, we have written 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Then 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Then 1 into 8 is equal to 8. As I explained, 1 will get vanished. Acha, some extra question also. Here add, okay. Make another bullet also. Just look. This one you are going to write. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 examples are there. Okay, I am writing 5 more example. Okay. Make another bullet and write this 5 more example. 39 into 1 is equal to dash. 1 into 21 is equal to dash. You have to fill it up, huh? Then I'll explain. At first, write yourself. 12 into 1 is equal to dash. Acha, 4 question I am giving you, huh? 1 into 15 is equal to dash. This 4 question, do it yourself. Then property of 0, this one. Multiplication by 0. Acha, in case of multiplication by 0, if we multiply any number by 0, we will get 0. The answer will be ultimately 0. Okay, that number will be vanished. Okay, here are some bullets, some examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Acha, 2 more examples I am giving you. Write it. 29 into 0 is equal to dash, and the next one 0 into 17 is equal to dash. These 2 extra, okay, write it. Is there anything to explain again? No, acha, good, Debbie. Okay. Acha, some students are turning off their camera. Anubhav, where are you going? Some students are turning off their camera. Okay. I am not going to tolerate this thing. Basically, you told me that this is network issue, but I know some students are intentionally turning off their camera. Okay. So keep your camera on. Fast. Okay, I am giving you 4 minutes. Okay, not 4 minutes, exactly 3 minutes. Within these 3 minutes, complete it. Okay, then I'll check your copy. Now let me write the answers. 39 into 1, it will be 39. That number will be back. Yes, 1 will get vanished. Now 1 into 21, 21 will be there. Third one, 12 into 1 is 12. Fourth one, 1 into 15 is equal to 15. Okay, now here, multiplication by 0. Here, the property, 29 into 0. That means if we multiply any number by 0, 0 will be back. Yes. And 0 into 17, it is also 0. I am taking a screenshot also. I'll upload this. Okay, don't worry. Now let me check each and everyone's copy. And send, raise your hand those who have completed at first. Then I'll start to check copy. Now I am sharing the puzzle time sum. Page number 79. Open at page number 79. Acha, here in the book, put the date. Okay. And write CW. In the book, page number 79, put the date. And write CW also. Okay, first one and second one. Let me read the first one. First one, the first question is given. Shuchi found the product of 6 and 4 is 24. Look at this. Let me zoom in. Here is the question. All of you are able to see it? Okay. What is given in the question? Shuchi found the product of 6 and 4 is 24. So what is given? Product of 6 into 4, that is equal to 24. It is given. Now, in the multiplication fact, okay? She got it. Acha, now 6 into 4 is equal to 24. She replaced 6 by 8. She replaced this 6 by 8. Replaced means she changed the value. Okay. So this one is, look at this. This one is 6 into 4 is equal to 24. She found. But in place of 6, she replaced it by 8. But 4 is remain same. Okay. It will be same. Is it clear to all of you? Only she changed 8. Okay. So, only she changed the 6 by 8. Okay. Now 8 into 4. It will be what? 32, na? Yes. So now the answer is 32. Yes or no? Okay. Now the next step. What is given over there? The next step is given. What should she do now to obtain the same product after the replacement? That means now what should she do so that this 32 again it will be 24, the same product. So what to do? Look at this. First she replaced this one, this replacement. Okay, already 8 got replaced. Now we cannot again, what to do so that again we'll get 24 back. Now look, it is already 8 is there. If we again replace this 4 by 3, look at this, then the answer will be 3 8s are 24. Yes or no? Is it clear, Devi, Ishan, Pranavi? Okay. Good. Saptarshi, have you understood this one? Acha, now who have not understood, show me your hand in front of the camera. Show me your hand in front of the camera, those who have not understood. Alvira understood? No, acha, okay. I'm coming. Just wait for a minute. Ankon Patra, Alvira, look at this. In this question, I'm sharing the screen again. Look at this. Here it is given. Shuchi wrote 6 into 4. That is equal to 24. Up to this clear, though. Now she replaced this 6 by 8. So 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Okay, but she wants this answer back. Again, she wants to get 24 back. Okay, so as we replaced 8, 8 will be same. So what replacement we have to do? So that in place of 32, we'll get 24 back. Look, 8 fours are 32, though. So 8, which is 24, 8 threes are na. That's why we have to again change this 4 into 3. So we'll get 3 8s are 24. Now is it clear? Ankon, okay, good. Aratrika, Sheikh Jisam Ali, clear to? Yes, ma'am, okay. Alvira, now it is clear? Good, beta. Okay, now just write this puzzle time solve. Some number 1. At first complete number 1, then I'll explain number 2. Okay. Debattam, it is clear, understood? Good. Good. You want to say something, Debattam? Debattam, why have you raised your hand, beta? You want to say something? I'm not getting your point, Debattam. Do you want to say something? Okay, I am coming to you. Okay, just wait for a minute. Acha, now the second one. What is to do in the second one? What do we conclude from the multiplication fact? 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Number second one, let me explain. 4 into 3, that is equal to 12, given to. And also 3 into 4, that is equal to 12 given. 3 into 4, that is equal to also 12 given. Now what can we conclude? Already yesterday I explained, na? This is order property. Yes, to Rishabh, order property. Yes, good. So write, this one is, look, I have written, if we change the order of the numbers, that means what? Suppose we are writing this 4 in place of 3 and 3 in place of 4. Okay. So ultimately, the resultant value will not be changed. It will remain same. Now complete these two. First, have you understood this one? Sheikh Tamanna, Ishan. Okay. Now I am giving you only 2 minutes to complete this page. Okay. After that, I will start to check each and everyone's copy. Acha, Devattam, you wanted to say something? Acha, okay, I am coming. Wait. Shuprit, keep your camera on. Those who are not keeping the camera on, I have to mark them absent. Sheikh Jisham Ali, where are you? And I told you for so long, okay? Kushal, Faim Ahmad, you will be absent for today's class, okay? And Aditya Banerjee also. completed? Now those who have completed, show me their copy. The name I'll call one by one. I am going to check your copy. Okay.